Today is a really hot day. It's 87. A lot of ups and downs. But we're about halfway to Boots Off Hostel, so might stop there to charge, maybe to swim in the lake. Wasn't able to really get my battery packs charged at trail days, so footage is going to be kind of limited until I get to a hostel, but won't be long. Oh, the brush is so dense up here. The flowers were all blooming. I think we have a vista coming up pretty soon. And one thing that I'm kind of excited about is that a lot of hikers who do kind of big miles on the AT try to do 12 before 12. So you hike 12 miles before 12 o'clock. And it is 11:58 right now. And I just hit 13 miles. So today's actually the first day that I did 12 before 12. And it's a lot, and it's hot. So probably gonna stop in about a mile and a half, grab some water, and try to keep pushing on. Goal for today is to get to Boots Off Hostel, which is somewhere around the 24-mile mark, which, you know, is now only 11 miles away, and it's noon, so totally doable. A lot of switchbacks and stairs today. think a good portion of this today was kind of a reroute from Helene. You can see that a lot of work is being done. And yesterday, you can kind of see the water line where debris is just washed up into the trees.
Yeah, we're not the same region, but we met before. Together, and then he moved to Montreal.
I thought about going out, I don't know why. I thought about boots off with this civilization, but now that
I heard about several folks around me did a similar.
I'm above it.
Ooh. Lot of stairs. A lot of rocky stairs to come down here, but this looks amazing. This is amazing. This is like the biggest river that we've crossed, and this is the trail. Upstairs. This is the low water route. It's really hard to be so hot today and stare at all this water. But if we make it to Boots Off Hostel, we'll probably go swimming. So just wanted to head down this blue blaze and gonna reconnect to the AT. Hey everybody, here at Boots Off Hostel. Had a really long day. Currently in some loaner clothes, getting laundry done after about 9 days, and got to shower after 9 days. So super excited about that. Charging all of my equipment up. I haven't been able to record the last 2 days. Because my power banks are pretty much dead. So apologies for that. Trying to record what I can. But anyway, I'm just gonna try to get some rest, get a bit of editing done, and try to get out tomorrow. Put in a little over 24 miles today, which was my biggest day so far on the trail. So super excited about that. Got 13 miles before noon, and my next goal is try to hit 20 miles by 2. So we'll see. I think we'll slowly get there. But anyway, I will talk to you all tomorrow.